For question 4, we need to use the binomial theorem in order to expand square root of 9.18. And we need the final answer in 5 decimal places. So this means that in your working steps, try to have 5 or more decimal places. So we want square root of 9.18, which is 9.18 to the power of 1 over 2. And we're going to use 1 plus ax to the power of n, since n is 1 over 2, which is not a positive integer. So we know that this is the second case. So note that here we need 1 plus ax. So kita perlu something plus something. So here we have 9.18. So try to rewrite 9.18 to become something plus something. So the easiest one is 9 plus 0.18 to the power of 1 over 2. Or it can also be 8 plus 1.18 to the power of 1 over 2, etc. So kat sini kita kena guna try and error. So for this one, we need 1 plus ax to the power of n. So we need 1 at the front here. But here we have 9. So I'm going to factorize out 9 from 9 plus 0.18. So this means that divide everything here by 9. So you get 9 times 1 plus 0.02 to the power of 1 over 2. And here we're going to apply ab to the power of n equal to a to the power of n, b to the power of n. So you'll get 9 to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 plus 0.02 to the power of 1 over 2. So syarat kamu nak tahu kata benda ni betul ataupun salah. Salah satu syarat untuk tahu dia betul ke salah. Bila kamu tarik keluar yang kat depan ni, pastikan bila kamu masuk kalkulator, kamu dapat nombor bulat. Okay? So 9 to the power of 1 over 2 will give you 3. So ini kamu tahu kata, oh ini maybe betul sebab depan ni kamu dapat nombor bulat. Kamu still kena check nanti, kamu kena check dengan 1 plus ax to the power of n in order to find your validity. Okay, so still kena check validity. Tapi first thing first, kalau depan ni betul, kamu tahu kata, oh nanti maksudnya try pula lah check for this one. Alright? So this is from 9 plus 0.18. What about 8 plus 1.18? We know that we need 1 plus ax, so we need 1 at the front, but here we have 8. So I'm going to take out 8 from 8 plus 1.18 by dividing everything here by 8. So now, check the value of 8 to the power of 1 over 2 using your calculator. And here you'll get 2.8284 bla 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 semua tu. So kat sini kamu dapat perpuluhan. So, kat depan ni tak boleh dapat decimal number. The moment kamu dapat depan ni decimal number, terus semua ni salah. So we're gonna stick with 9 plus 0.18 to the power of 1 over 2. And this is the part where we will apply the binomial expansion. Since the question doesn't specify what term that we need to expand up to, so just stick with 4 terms. So now just substitute ax and n into this formula. And we'll get 1.0099505. Okay, are we done yet? No, because this answer here we got from this binomial expansion only. We still have 3 at the front. So, we're gonna substitute back 1.0099505 into the expression. So, ini asal dia datang daripada square root of 9.18. Therefore, by using calculator, you'll get 3.02985. So this is correct to 5 decimal places. Do not forget to check with your calculator. Find what is the value of square root of 9.18. Using calculator, the answer is this one. Therefore, by comparison, you can see that the value that we got from calculator is the same as the value that we got using binomial expansion. This means that the answer that we got here using binomial expansion is correct. So note that there's no need for you to do step 2 and step 3 because using step 1 only, you can find the answer of square root of 9.18. So for this question, there's no need for you to do step 2 and step 3 since step 1 is enough to find the answer. So sebenarnya, Miss wujudkan step 1, step 2, step 3 untuk membantu kamu menjawab soalan berkaitan binomial expansion when your n is not positive integer. Sometimes you may need to do all the steps. Sometimes you may need to do only some of the steps. Okay, depending on the question. So baca soalan betul-betul and then apply step yang Miss ajar ni. Alright, so this is the end of 3.2 binomial expansion. Therefore, we have reached the end of chapter 3 as well. So I'll see you guys again in the next chapter. Bye-bye!